is something which we have been debating for past 15 days. SIR thing and the entire Ghuspatia controversy. So Prime Minister Modi announced a high-powered mission to counter the conspiracy to alter India's demographic profile through illegal infiltration. He warned that illegal infiltration would not be tolerated under any circumstances, and accusing infiltrators of seizing tribal lands and depriving youth of opportunities.
मैं आज देश के सामने एक चिंता, एक चुनौती के संबंध में आगाह करना चाहता हूं। षड्यंत्र के तहत, सोची समझी साजिश के तहत देश की डेमोग्राफी को बदला जा रहा है। एक नए संकट के बीज बोए जा रहे हैं और ये घुसपैठिए मेरे देश के नौजवानों की रोजी रोटी छीन रहे हैं। एक घुसपैठिए मेरे देश की बहन बेटियों को निशाना बना रहे हैं। ये बर्दाश्त नहीं होगा। ये घुसपैठिए भोले भाले आदिवासियों को भ्रमित करके उनकी जमीनों पर कब्जा कर रहे हैं। ये देश सहन नहीं करेगा।
So one, it is a reinforcement of the SIR exercise that says only illegal voters must be taken out. It reinforces that illegal voters should be out of the voting list. Prime Minister stressed on the word Ghuspatia. And third understanding is, which I believe, that BJP will not allow the opposition to walk free on the SIR issue. So Hitesh, my question to you is this the new socio-political frontier?
कार्तिकेय, ये कह सकते हैं और बहुत सारे राजनीतिक दलों के लिए आज के बाद ये बड़ी दिक्कत होने वाली है, क्योंकि घुसपैठिया शब्द को जिस तरह से अंडरलाइन किया गया है, बहुत सारे दलों को ये बताना पड़ेगा कि उन्हें भारत से प्रेम है या घुसपैठियों से प्रेम है। उन्हें मतदाता सूची का मुद्दा जब लेकर आते हैं, उल्टा पलट कर उनकी तरफ आ रहा है। उनको स्वच्छ पारदर्शी व्यवस्था चाहिए, घुसपैठियों का वोट नहीं चाहिए, ये मुद्दा बनता हुआ दिख रहा है मुझे। और देश में भी जब नीचे तक ये बात जाएगी, आज जो पूरा एक कार्य व्यवस्था उसके लिए तैयार करने की बात की है, तो मुझे लगता है देश के संसाधनों पर पहला हक देश के नागरिकों का है। देश के रोजगार के लिए इन युवाओं के सही पारदर्शी तरीके से उनके लिए काम होना चाहिए, ये भी दिखाई देता है। और जो कोई पीडीए की बात करता है, कोई आदिवासी की बात कर रहा है, बात तो बहुत कर रहे हैं, मगर उनका हक कौन लोग खा रहे हैं, सीमा पार से किस तरीके से आ रहे हैं, और वो धीरे धीरे मतदाता सूचियों तक चढ़े जा रहे हैं। आज के इस अभिभाषण ने बता दिया है कि ये काम और बड़ा होने वाला है और खाली बिहार इलेक्शन तक लिमिटेड नहीं रहने वाला है। ये पूरे देश के लिए एक, आप कहिए, संकल्प के तौर पर लिया गया है, कॉल फॉर एक्शन के तौर पर लिया गया है।
Your comments? Your comments, Smita?
Yes,
yes.
I couldn't hear you very well.
No, I'm saying your comments on the Prime Minister stressing the fact that, illegals is an issue. I recall that the BJP made it an issue in the Jharkhand election. It didn't bear dividends, but I think now again for the Prime Minister to stress itself and SIR going to be a national exercise. So for this reason, I picked this up. That Prime Minister himself has spoken on this issue, which means that it's not one of the issues. When Prime Minister says something, it becomes the issue.
Yes, and you see, it is a fact that when the Prime Minister himself and the rest of the party raised the issue of infiltration, Ghuspatiyas in Jharkhand, if you look at it purely from an electoral standpoint, it did not pay dividends. The BJP lost Jharkhand for various other reasons. Not because infiltration is not an issue, but BJP's defeat in Jharkhand does not prove that there is no infiltration. Infiltration by itself is an issue which is directly connected to our national security, our internal security. It is a drain on our resources, and it drives the actual people who deserve the resources of the country, the real citizens of the country. And a day will come when these Ghuspatiyas will start deciding the electoral results, and in that way they will be, it is their views and their wishes that will reflect government policies when people whom they vote come into governments. I am very curious and also very interested in this, the mission, the powered mission against infiltration that has been announced today from the Red Fort, because I know it for a fact, having lived in a long part of my life. I saw this right in the eyes. The state was changed completely. Our neighborhood changed. The road from home to school changed. The road that all villages around Guwahati changed. So I know it for a fact. Let me tell you, Kartike, why this mission is so essential. Because today we have waited enough, almost 4 decades, for state governments to work at their own level to fight infiltration. Let me tell you, it is not happening. Had state governments understood their responsibilities in the past, we would not have reached where we are today. Whether you look at Tripura, West Bengal, Assam, then Jharkhand, the erstwhile divided Bihar, and now it is getting deeper. There was time when used to say that Semanchal in Bihar is 4 districts. Today, I can tell as an eyewitness, it is not limited to 4 districts. The demographic change of Semanchal is now spreading more in and becoming nearer to other parts of, spreading to parts of
Okay.
Bihar.
Okay.
Let's not wait for state governments. We need to have a national mission. Already ECI is working on it for an SIR, starting with Bihar and to other states.